I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss one question from chapter 1 of relation function NCERT, that's maths. That question is question number 9, exercise 1.3. Consider f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval minus I, comma, implied open interval. Given by fx equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Please start. So that f is invertible with f inverse y equal to square bracket under root y plus 6 bracket close minus 1 whole over 3. Now come out to solution here. Here I am going to discuss the solution. Here I shall write here. Given f is a function from set of positive real numbers goes to close interval minus 5 infinite open interval. Defined as fx equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This is a function, or this function is invertible. So let this function is invertible. So let f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval minus 5 infinite open interval be an invertible function. Here I have let f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval be an invertible function. But then this function will be 1 1 and 2 invertible. Let कर लिया. F is 1 1 and 2 function. F is 1 1 and 2 function. Let invertible function में तो f क्या होगा 1 1 and 2. So for onto you will write for onto function let small y belong to close interval minus 5 infinite. This is range implies that y belong to range f. Then there exists x belong to domain set of positive real number such that fx equal to y. So what we will do here? Put the fx of value here. Fx you have got here. Fx I have got here from here. You will take the value of fx from here. So here we write fx equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to y. Write this one. So what we will do here? 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y equal to 0. We will get here 9x square plus 6x. Take here minus common. You will get here y plus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here minus will take common. You will get in bracket y plus 5 is equal to 0. So now here you will got, this is a quadratic equation. So a equal to 9 you have got, b equal to 6 you have got, b equal to 6 you have got, and c equal to minus y plus 5 we have got. So what we'll do, apply the formula here. Minus x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole over 2. On that basis you get the value of x here. So here you can put minus b. So here you can write minus 6 plus minus b square. B square you can get here 36. Minus 4 you will write here. In bracket value of a is 9 and value of c write here minus 1 and y plus 5 right. Whole over you write here to get a value of a is 9. Here right. So x equal to minus 6 plus minus under root. 2 under root here. So you will get here 36. Or this minus 1 will multiply together to get here plus, and this will become 36. In bracket you will get here y plus 5. Whole over you will get here 2, 3 and 3. Like this way. So what will do here? X equal to, here you will get minus 6 plus minus, here take under root 6 as a common. You will get here under root 36 will be there. You will get only 6 here. Under root will get here 1 plus y plus 5 will get here. Because here you can see 36 there, here 36 there. You can very well take 36 as a common. 36 here it will become common. Under root 36 you will get here 6. And in bracket you will get here you will get 1, here you get y plus 5. Under root 1 plus y plus 5 you will get, here you will get 6, here you get 3. So what to do here? X you will get here, x equal to, this x is you will cancel out, here you get minus 1 plus minus plus minus, here you will get y plus 6. Y plus 6 will get whole over 3. Now you have got the value of x. X equal to, now here you will write what is the value? X. So y belongs to which? Value of y will take either this one, minus 5. माइनस 5 के बराबर होगा माइनस 5. तो देन वैल्यू ऑफ y विल टेक y इक्वल टू माइनस 5 फ्रॉम हियर यू गेट y इक्वल टू माइनस 5, y इक्वल टू माइनस 5 और ग्रेटर देन माइनस 5, ग्रेटर देन माइनस 5. तो हियर वी हैव टू राइट कंडीशन. तो y का वैल्यू माइनस 5, तो इफ यू पुट हियर माइनस 5 यू विल गेट हियर माइनस. If you put here minus 5, y equal to minus, y equal to minus 5. We put here y equal to minus 5 here. Minus 5 plus 6 will get 1. Under root 1, minus 1, 1. We will get here 0. Value of x will be 0. Value of x is 0. Value of x is equal to 0. This means that value of x equal to 0. So that is the 0 is element of set of positive real number. So 0 is positive real number. This is it. So this is also here you can't write minus because x is, and here you can see x element this one. X belongs to set of positive real number. So here you can't take minus, and here you can't take minus. So therefore here you can write. Here you have got x equal to minus 1 plus minus under root y plus 6 whole over 3 whole over 3 whole over 3. The condition is that y greater than equal to minus 5 and x क्या है, x belong to set a positive real number. So here you can see, here this is a quadratic equation you have got here, this is a quadratic equation, this is a quadratic equation we have got here. The value of x will take two values, value of x will have two values, first value will be positive, second value will be negative. So it can't x value of x can't be negative because x belong to set a positive real number. X can't value a negative value. That's why negative here, negative will be negative sign will be negative. Like that you can see here, x equal to minus 1 minus under root y plus 6 equal to 3 over 3. This value. So this value will not be accepted. Why? Because x minus x, the value of x minus negative value, x will give negative value. Negative value can't be element of set of positive real. X equal to minus 1, take here minus under root y plus 6. Can't be belong to set of positive real. X equal to this can't be belong to set. But this will be, it will be omitted. It is omitted. ये छोड़ दोगे, क्या करोगे, छोड़ दोगे, दिस विल बी ओमिटेड. अब क्या बच गया दूसरा, नेक्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स विल बी minus 1 plus under root y plus 6 whole over 3. Imply that you have got here x equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. So this is the value we have got, because negative value will be negative, it will take only positive value. Moreover, this one is also verified. So this will be the correct answer. Here I have left, since this is invertible, so here I have left, what I have left? Let this is invertible function. Invertible function you can write here. Let invertible function. In case of invertible function, you can write this one. Let G is to minus close infinite minus 5 infinite open infinite goes to set of positive. This one is correct. This is the original function. You can think f is a function from set of positive real number to close interval minus 5 comma infinite open. So just inverse of this value will get inverse of f will get g is to, and this is domain, this is range. Domain, set of positive real number is domain here. Set of positive real number is domain here. Or this close interval minus 5 comma infinite open interval is the range here. Both will mutually interchange. Here mutually interchange. This place, this will go at this place, this will come at this place. Like that I mentioned, and f inverse of f will be. The inverse of this function will be this function. So what we will do here? Here you will write where gy equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. So this is the estimate here. What would do here? Now you have to find the value of g of f. So here you can g of f. Here in g of f means go, last letter is f. The f is related to x. This is the formula, and g related to y. So in place of f is related to x, so here you can write g of f in bracket x. You can write. Now write here g. Here small o is there. The small o will be converted into opening circle bracket. half circle bracket. Here I half circle bracket comes out with fx. Now what will do? G fx. Put the value of fx. The fx I have got here 9x square plus 6x minus 5 I shall write. I have got here this one. So this is y. This is whole value will be termed at. This whole value you get here integer. So in place of y you can write this. So this will become, again you can write. So now what to do? This is y. Here you can see y. So here g is there. 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 Here y. Here this quadratic equation. So in place of y you will put here this. So here I shall write under root. In place of y write here 9x square plus 6x minus 5. In place of y I have written here. Or here I plus 6. Minus 1 over 3. Right here. So now get the value of GOF. GOF equal to what to do here? Here we will get. Now solve this one. Solve this one. Always on solving this one plus c. So here we will get under root 9x square plus 6x plus 1. Here get minus 1 whole over 3. This one we have got. So what to do here? Under root. Here you can solve. This is the quadratic equation we have get. So this value we have to solve. So here I shall write. I shall get the solution 9x square plus 6x plus 1. What to do here? This one, this will become 9. 9 3 into 2. Indirectly I shall write here 9x square plus 3x plus 1. This will become 3x x plus 1. Here take plus 1, you will get 3x plus 1. Now the solution will be, here we will get 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. So here we will get, implied that GOF equal to under root we will get 3x plus 1. We will get here 3x plus 1 in one bracket. In another bracket we will get 3x plus 1. Whole over we will get here 3 or here get minus 1. So what we will do here? Imply that here you will write GOF equal to 3x plus 1 minus 1 whole over 3. Whole over 3. Because this minus 1 can be written here minus 1. So here you can see GOF under root 9x square plus cx plus 1. If you do the operation, you will get this one, prime factorization of the factorization of 9x square plus cx plus 6x plus 1. This is a quadratic equation. If you do the factorization of this quadratic equation 9x square plus cx plus 1, you will get this one under root 3x plus 1 dot 3x plus 1. Under root will be there. I put here minus 1 over 3. So this under root 3x plus 1 dot under root 3x plus 1, you will get here 3x plus 1 minus 1 whole over 3. So this one will cross out. Here you will get 3x plus, here you will get x. Why x? Because here plus 1 minus 1 you cancel out. 3x over 3 will get here x. The GOF you have got here x. The value of GOF you get. Now come down to here for FOG. FOG if you put here FOG. So whatever with FOG in F of G, in F of G, last letter is G. So G is related to Y. G related to Y. Here you can see. So here you can easily write FOG related to Y. So write here Y. So this become F. And this small o will be converted into half circle bracket. Here you will write like this. So this will become F. In place of you write GY. So GY you can see here value of GY. So write here GY. What is GY? Right here. under root y plus 6 minus 1 over 3. You have got. So now you have got f in bracket under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. So this is the value, the fx, the fx. So in fx you can see here fx. Where is fx? Here you can see. So in place of x, we will put this value, whole value. So what we will do here? What we will do here? Here you get 9. This one is there. So in place of x, we will write this one value. So here write 9. In bracket we will be write here under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3 का whole square. In place of x I have written it. Here write plus 6 in bracket under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3, or here write minus 1. So what we will do here? Get the value of FOG. FOG will be from here. You can see here. So here you can see here. So what will do here? Here you can get this one. So this one will be solve first. So this one will get here. Here will get 9. Here you get 9. So this one expand this one. An expansion will get here y plus 6 in number bracket plus 1 under root y plus 6 का whole square. You will get here this one plus 1 minus 2 under root y plus 6. You will get here this one. This will become 9 square. 9 square we will cancel. What about this one? Here we will get 6 is there. He will get only here 2. So here only 3 2 that 6. 2 will get here 2. So this will become plus 2 under root y plus 6. You will get, or here you will get 2 will enter inside. You will get minus 2. I will get here minus 9. Now do the operation here. Here you can say this term with this one will be cancelled out. Or here you can see FOG. FOG is equal to y plus 7, 6 plus 7. Here you get minus 2 minus 2 7. Here you will get FOG is equal to y. FOG is equal to y, small y. So since I have got, this is FOG, check साथ I have got minus 7, FOG I have got. So since I have got I have got equal to GOF. So GOF I have proved. So GOF gives us this, you can see GOF gives us x. GOF value of GOF you have got x. This will become identity function. GOF equal to x you have got the identity function, and this is x. So x related to this one original function, you can see here this one this is the original function. So x is related to this set of positive real number. So here you write capital R input this one. So here you can imply that GOF equal to identity function on set of positive real number, identity function, and again fog you will write fog equal to fog, you can see here fog equal to y. So y is in original function this one. So this will become identity function on this one. Set close interval minus 5 infinite. Open it. So here we have got g of f equal to identity function on set of positive real number domain. Here you have got f of g equal to identity function on range f. You have got the GOF equal to this one, fog equal to this one. Hence f is invertible. F is invertible function. F inverse y equal to gy. Gy equal to, you have got the value of gy, this one. So here you can write gy equal to y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. This will be the whole over 3. This is 3 whole over. This will be the. So here we have got f is invertible function. F inverse y equal to gy equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 whole over 3. The gy, this will be the correct answer.